Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have my BOXYCHARM. I also just did my Ipsy unboxing, so make sure that you look for that as well. This, I believe, is going to be my last BOXYCHARM because I did cancel. So let's just see how I feel about this last one, huh? Okay, oh, everything is gooey in here. Oh no, what have I done? Okay, so the first thing in here that's making everything gooey are these VITAMASQUES goggle eye masks. So they gave us two. I've only used one so far. There's one for the morning and one for the evening. So I used this one this morning. How cute is this mask? It makes you look like a little superhero. I can't wait to use the other one too. And I liked it, you know, I mean, I thought that it was nice. It hydrated my whole area. I left it on for like 10-20 minutes. It was lovely. And so the morning one is made with silver, caffeine, algae complex, pumpkin, and pomegranate to brighten and protect. And the evening one is made with copper, amino acids, hyaluronic acid, and centella to repair and relax. I'm excited to use that one. I love sheet masks. The next thing in here is this palette from Dominique Cosmetics, Celestial Thunder Eyeshadow Palette. Wow, look at those colors. They're bold and vibrant and fun. And I like the pans. They're nice big pans. I don't know that I'm crazy about this palette. I feel like, yes, there are some super fun colors in here and you could come up with some great bold looks. I felt like the colors didn't last very long. Like I would do my makeup and then a couple hours later it felt like it had faded. I'm going to keep playing with this because I've only used it I think twice now. So it could have just been that day for whatever reason, or maybe my application process, who knows. But it is a super lovely palette and I will continue to play with it. Let me know what you guys thought of it if you got that one too. This is from Juice Beauty. This is Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. The packaging on this is not my favorite. It's tall and skinny and it has this weird little thing here, and you push this and it comes out there and it looks like you're supposed to, you know, rub it in your eye area, but it's not big enough, I think, or smooth enough around the edges, so you just end up like scooping this. It just didn't work out for me. The actual product though, usually what I do is I pump it, put it on my ring finger and then do it that way, is really nice. It's more of like a gel consistency and it soaks right in and it really does hydrate without irritating or anything. It doesn't have any sort of fuminess or perfuminess or anything crazy like that. So far I am actually really liking that. The next thing is from BECCA. This is the Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter in Vanilla Quartz. So I have a couple of these and I love them. They're great. Doesn't everybody love these? Look at that color though, super vanilla-y. The color is lovely. It is quite pale though, and I do feel like colors like this tend to wash me out. It has a golden hue to it. I mean, it is just like a lovely vanilla shade. It's quite pretty, you know, and I love this product in general. So I don't know, it's one of those things that I'll definitely keep. I love the packaging, it's so pretty. My name is Becca. And the color, you know, I'm sure that I can use it for something sometime, you know, whenever I want a super pale goldeny hue, or I can use it as eyeshadow or whatever. So anyway, I love this and I love that we got this in the box. And then the last thing was a set of brushes. These are actually by BOXYCHARM. I like the shape. The handle is kind of nice, very lightweight handle with more of a heavy head here, you know, but you can see it's weighted properly. It's, you know, but it's kind of interesting, and you've got that indent which makes for a nice ergonomic hold. And the size of these I actually really like. I like this one for foundation and then this one for concealer or contour or, you know, smaller areas or whatever. You could use this one for foundation, but why bother when you have this one? So I have been using these for the last several days. I don't really know if I like them. When I touch it like this, it feels so soft. When I put it on my face, it doesn't feel that soft. It's like it's too dense, it's too hard. And I have lots of different oval brushes like this. I have an Artiste brush that I love and use for my foundation every day. And I just feel like this doesn't work as well as that. It's nice though, and I think I, you know, could definitely get some good use out of this. I especially like this one. This one is, you know, just a really nice size for using all over So I don't know. These ones are okay, but they're not as great as I wanted them to be. Did you guys get these? Tell me what you thought of them, because I think that I'll probably continue using them for a little while before I make my final decision, but so far I'm sort of meh about them. And then we got this little thing from BECCA for, you know, little foundation tester. And BOXYCHARM is doing their whole like foundation tester thing, but since I canceled, I won't be a part of that. So anyway, what did you guys think of BOXYCHARM? Are you still getting it, or have you canceled like me? I just wasn't getting good stuff, and a lot of it wasn't cruelty free, so I finally just gave up. Of course, this was a good box. Well, I mean, for the most part. So anyway, I am going to continue to get my Ipsy, and if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check that out as well. Let me know what you guys thought of your BOXYCHARM. This one wasn't bad, but it's still going to be my last BOXYCHARM, at least for a while. We'll see. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!